Hi, in this video we are going to see about a Java web application project which is entitled as Online Grocery Shopping System. Before seeing the execution of the project, let me brief about this project. So we all know in every homes we need the groceries. So without groceries we cannot able to make the food. So every people wanted the groceries, but today due to the work nature people wanted to get their groceries at their own place itself. So in the traditional or existing system, the people wanted to go to the grocery shops which is available nearby, and then they wanted to give the list of products or take the list of products that is required in a physical manner, and then need to stand in the queues to make the billing process, and then they need to get the groceries to their home. Or some of the existing systems already have some grocery shopping in online also, but it is limited to their own shop. For example, if it is a big mart kind of thing, so they have their own shopping platform, so people can able to order the products and they can able to go to the store and they get the groceries from there. So the existing or traditional system, everything is a manual process or semi-automated test process. So here we are going to develop a complete automated online grocery shopping system. So as we know, due to the rapid growth of the e-commerce platform, every retail industry is providing the customers with the ease of the wide range of products from their comfort, from their homes itself. So in this project we are going to overcome the existing issues of time consuming required to physical travel, queuing and manual tracking of expenses and everything. So here we are going to propose a online grocery shopping system which is developed using Java as the coding language, JSP, CSS and JavaScript for the front end part, MySQL for the database. So here we have developed the system with 4 entities, that is stores, users, delivery agents and the administrators. So initially the stores will be listed to the users, and then the users can be able to see the available products, they can order it, and then that is assigned to a particular delivery agent that is available, and then the entire process is being monitored from the administrative part. So here as mentioned, so this system is going to be high level of transparency, efficiency and reliability by automating the interactions among all the entities. So this online grocery shopping system will be a comprehensive solution that addresses the shortcoming of the existing grocery shopping system while creating a scalable, efficient and customer centric online marketplace. So all these details have been mentioned in the abstract part. Coming to the existing system, so as mentioned, the main problem with the existing system is the customers wanted to go to the grocery stores or the supermarkets that is available on their place physically, and then they manually search for the items that is available, and then they compare the prices, and then they need to carry the purchase goods back to their home. So in the existing system, from the store part, you can see the store owners need to manage their inventory by maintaining the stock register or simple computer based inventory list via Excel sheets kinds of thing, and then they wanted to check whether the available product is being stocked correctly or not, if there is some limited stock kinds of things. So everything should be done in a manual way. The existing system, another drawback, another thing is like customer feedback. So they cannot able to provide the customer feedback, so they need to provide it verbally or written kind of thing. So all these things that is available in the existing system largely dependent on the physical presence and the manual process only. So everything that is described in this existing system part. So now let us see about the disadvantages of the existing system. The main disadvantages of our existing system are time consuming process, limited accessibility and choices, inefficient inventory management, unstructured order and delivery system, lack of structured feedback mechanism, absence of centralized monitoring, no data driven insights. So these are the main disadvantages of existing system that is described detailedly with the subheadings of it. So coming to the proposed system, so as mentioned, we are going to develop the online grocery system, which is a web-based platform developed using the Java, JSP, CSS JavaScript and the MySQL. So here we have the 4 important entities, that is stores, users, delivery agents and the administrators. So initially the store module, in the store module they need to register for this system by entering their store name, their owner name, GST, all those informations, and after that they cannot able to log in into the system, or the store names will not be stored or listed to the user, because the admin should verify it and then only they can approve it or reject it, and once if it is approved only the store can able to log into the system or user can able to see the store in their in the online process. This is to avoid the unauthorized stores into the system, so that the system will be make sure that that is perfect and secure. Next, the stores can able to upload their products, and they can also edit the products, they can delete the products, they can update, they can assign the orders, they can see what are the orders that is received, and they can assign the orders to the delivery persons, and they can see the complete store information, the graphical analysis on everything. Next, coming to the user part, so user mainly registers and they see the stores that is available in their location, or they can change the location also and see what are the stores that is available, and they can see the price, details of the products, everything. They can able to place the order, and they can see the real-time updates in their orders list, that whether it is the order is received, then whether it is assigned to the delivery person, on the order is delivered or not. And then the user can able to provide the feedback to the system by only for the completed orders, so that it can avoid the spams into the system also, and also the user can able to get their bills downloaded in the soft copy in the PDF format also. Next, coming to the delivery agent part, so the delivery agents will be registering, and then similar to the stores, the admin should approve the delivery agents, then only the delivery agents can able to log into the system. So once if it is approved, and then the stores will be assigning the orders to the delivery agents. So the delivery agents will be seeing what all the active orders that is available they are taken, and after completion they need to update that order has been delivered, and so that they can see what all the orders they have taken, everything. Coming to the administrator part, the administrator makes is in this system as the centralized control. So here the admin has all the rights to approve or reject a store, approve or reject the delivery agents, all these details. They can able to see who are all the users available, who are all the stores available, who are all the agents that is available. They can see what all the orders that is taken, from which store, and which delivery agent is assigned to that, and what all the feedbacks received, and they can also see a graphical analysis showing the order statistics of the complete system. So these all the things that is mentioned in the proposed system part. Coming to the advantages of our proposed system, the main advantages of our proposed system are time saving and convenience, wider accessibility and choices, efficient inventory management, structured order and delivery tracking, secure and verified participation, feedback and transparency, centralized administration, data driven insights, digital records and billing, scalability and reliability. These are all the main advantages of a proposed system, and you can see the detailed explanation of each advantages that is described in this part of the advantages of proposed system. Next, coming to the system architecture. This is the overall system architecture of our proposed system. You can see the 4 entities: admin, stores, delivery agents and the users. So admin will be approving the stores and the delivery agents. They can see the users, stores and delivery agents. They can see the orders and the feedback received, and everything is being shown in the graphical analysis part and the graph part. In the stores, you can see they can able to add a new product, they can able to delete or edit the product information, they can see what all the orders received, and they can able to assign the orders to the delivery agents. and then they can see the few feedbacks that is received from the users, and they can be able to see the statistics or with the graph analysis. Next, coming to the delivery agents, they can see the active orders that is received, and they can update the delivery status, and they can see the delivery history that is taken by them. Coming to the user part, they can see the stores and products that is available in the stores. They can place the order and view the cart information. They can edit the cart information, and they can see the once order is placed, they can see the status in my orders part. And after successful completion of the order received, they can able to provide the feedback, and then they can able to download the bill in the PDF format. So everything is being stored in a centralized database MySQL. So this is the overall system architecture of our proposed system. So these are all the modules of the project. So these are all the module description of the project, explaining the each part and sub parts that is available in it in detail in it. Coming to the system requirements, so these are all the minimum hardware requirements that is required for the execution of the project. Coming to the software requirement, this project can be executed in Windows 10 or 11. Coding language is Java, front-end content JS, CSS JavaScript, JDK version is JDK 23.0.1, IDE tool is Apache NetBeans IDE 24, Tomcat server is Apache Tomcat 9.0.84, database is MySQL. So now let us see the execution of the project. So first open your Apache NetBeans IDE 24. Now let us import the project into the NetBeans IDE. So just go to the file menu, click open project. Now go to the project source code location. Inside the source code folder, we have this online grocery shopping. Select this and click open project. Now kindly wait till the complete project is loaded in the NetBeans IDE. Here you can see the progress of it. Meanwhile, let us attach the database in the MySQL workbench. So just select the MySQL workbench 8.0. So you can see the MySQL workbench. So here you can log in by clicking the local instance MySQL 8.0, and now just enter the password as root and click OK. Now go to the servers menu and then select the data import option. So here select the data import from self-contained file and select this 3 dot. And now go to the project source code location. Inside the database folder, we have the database. Just select it, and then now select the import progress tab and then click start import. So now you can see the import is completed successfully. So just in the schemas part, you can refresh and you can see grocery_db, which means that we have successfully attached the database in the MySQL workbench. So now let us close this MySQL workbench as we have successfully attached it. So coming back to the NetBeans IDE, you can see the project is now completely loaded into the NetBeans IDE. So now let us execute the project. So just right click it and then select run, and kindly wait for a few minutes. Now it asks for the authentication for the Tomcat server. I have given admin and click OK. So now it navigates to the browser part where you can see the welcome screen of the project. So with the project title, online grocery shopping system. So as mentioned, you can see the entities like shop management, grocery orders, delivery agents, administrators. Let us see all the things one by one. First, let us register a shop. So just go to the shop management and click login. As we don't have any username and password for the store, let us register it by clicking the register. So now it is navigated to the new store registration page where you need to enter the store name. So let me enter the store name as Daily Needs. The owner name, can give any of the owner name, email ID dailyneeds@gmail.com, phone number, and you can select the country here. You can just type it so that you can get the required country. You can see the states that is available here. Let me select as Puducherry, and let me select the district as Puducherry, and you can enter the address of the store, GST number. I'll just give some sample number and password, and you can select the store photo. Make sure that the photo is in smaller size so that it does not show any error in it. So I'll just select this photo, Daily Needs, and then click register. So after validation, you can see the store registered successfully message. So now let me exit and go to the shop management. I'll just enter the email ID and the password which I have given during the registration. So now you can see after giving the exact username and password also, you can see the message that invalid credentials or store not approved. So as mentioned earlier, so every store which is registered newly should be verified. It is only after verified and approved by the administrator, the store can able to log in into the system. This is to avoid intruders or unwanted people into the system. So now let us go to the administrator part. So in the administrator, click the login. So you can see the administrator login page. So just enter the default username and password for the admin as admin and admin, all small letter, and then click the login button. So once logged in into the administrator part, you can see the admin dashboard, so which contain the statistics of the users, stores, agents, and pending approvals. As we are running the project first time, you can see there is no users available. The one store which I have created, and you can see that is in a pending approval, that is one store. When the agent is registered also, the similar option will be shown, and I'll show you when I'm doing that. So now you can see there is one pending approval. There are various options. Let us see all this one by one. First, let me go to the stores part, because we need to approve the store. So now you can see the store ID that is created for the daily needs which I have entered, the owner name, email ID, phone number, address, whatever that, you can see the date and time when it is created. Now you can see the status here, it is as pending one. So here the administrator has the rights to activate it or deactivate the store. So now I'll just activate it. So immediately you can see the status is updated to active one. So now let me log out from the administrator part. I'll go to the shop management. What I will do, I'll just enter the username and password which I have created during the registration. Now you can see immediately it's logged into the system because the administrator has approved this store. So after logged into the system, you can see the welcome screen as the store dashboard, so where you can see the statistic of the total products, total orders, pending orders, low stock item, everything is zero because we are the first time creating the new store. So let us add the things and let us see the updated statistics when it has been updated. So here we have the store part contain options of dashboard, products, orders, feedback, charts, etc. Let us see all these one by one. First, let me go to the products part. So here you can see the available products. So currently there is no products available. Let us add the grocery item. So just select this add item part where you can add the item names. Let me show you sample data so that you can add it, the whatever the products you can, whichever you wanted. I'll just enter the sample item for item name as basmati rice 5 kg. Category, you can see there are various categories: rice, dal, dairy, pulses, snacks, beverages, and other. So let me select this as a rice category, and then the brand, let me select as India Gate. Stock, I'll just give it as 10. Quantity, you can give whatever the quantity you wanted, and the price of it is 420. So let me enter the price of this, and you can select the image for this grocery. So I have some sample images taken, so let me select this India Gate image and then select the add item. So now you can see once after adding it, you can see it is listed in the grocery items with the ID, photo, name, category, brand, stock, price, added date and time, everything. For example, if you wanted to modify something in it, the stock, the price, amount, everything, you can just select this edit option. I'll just modify the price as 450 rupees and just update item. So now you can see the price is updated. So in this way you can make the edit or delete options. So now I will just add a few more grocery items. So to make the video shorter, I'm not showing that. I'll just add it and come back again. Now I have added 5 items totally: the basmati rice, 2 dal, fresh milk, almonds, potato chips, and everything. So now let us log out. I'll just create some another store. So let me go to the shop management and create register. So now let me enter the store as Pothys Mart, owner name, email ID pothys@gmail.com, phone number. I'll just enter the country state district GST number, password, and select the store photo. So the password must be 6 characters. So now I have registered one store in Pondicherry. So now let me create some other store, some other location. So let me create Smart Bazaar. Let me create an email ID, phone number. So let me create for country India. So I'll just select Telangana, district Hyderabad, GST number, password, select the store photo and click register. So now you can see the store is registered successfully. As mentioned earlier, the store should be authorized by the administrator. I'll just go to the administrator part to authorize both the stores. Let me go to the stores part. You can see both the stores that I have created. Now it is in pending. I'll just activate both the stores and let me log out. So now coming back to the shop management, I'll just add the products for those stores also. So now I have added 2 grocery items in the Pothys Mart. So now let me log out. So now let us go to the users part. So just select this grocery orders login. So here, as I don't have any user login, I'll just create some users here. So let me create the user in the new user registration page. Name as JP, email ID, phone number, country, state, city, password. So after entering the details, I'll just register. So now I'll just log in into the system by entering the username and password. So you can see the welcome screen for the user part. So here you can see the options of seeing the grocery items, view cart, my orders. Let us see all the things one by one. First let me go to the browser items. So now you can see by default it will be showing the registered city. I have registered JP with the Puducherry, so it is showing immediately with the Puducherry. Also, if the user wanted to change the location, they can just drop down, so you can see what all the stores that is available. I have added one store in Hyderabad, so it is showing that. So in this way you can add any number of places of your location, so that it will be listing that here. So if I select Hyderabad and go, you can see the Smart Bazaar which I have added. If I select Puducherry and go, you can see the stores that is available. You can add n number of how many number, whatever you wanted, you can just add it. I have just added 2 things right now for the limitation in the time for taking the video. So now let us see the products that is available. For example, if the user wants some products in daily needs, they can just see the view items. You can see the products that is available with the image of it, what is the product name, what is the brand name, price, what is the stock that is available. You can able to enter the number of stocks that is required and you can see it. So for example, if you wanted to see for the other store, you can see I have added 2 products in this Pothys Mart, so you can see that the details that is available, the products that is available in this store. In this way the user can able to see the products items. So now let me go to the daily needs. So I'll just add this basmati rice. I'll just add this tour. So you can see there is a stock is 2 only, so I'll just add 2 and click add item. So now let me add this item. So now if you go to the cart, you can see the information that is available in the cart. So for example, if you wanted to add some more item also, you can just add it. So again, coming back to the cart, you can see the cart automatically calculates and it gives the total value. For example, if you wanted to remove some product, you can just remove it so that the cart will be updated accordingly. So now I have this user JP has selected the items whichever you wanted, and let me click the place order. So now after placing the order, it will be asking for the confirmation of the order, where you can enter the delivery address, which it shows by default whatever the address that is given during the registration part, or you can also able to modify it whatever the information you wanted, and you can select you can verify the cart items, and then you can select the payment method whatever you wanted, cash, card, UPI, wallet kind of thing. So let me select the cash part and then click the place order. So now you can see once after the order is placed, you can see the it is updated in the my orders part. In the my orders part, you can see every order has a unique ID, and it shows the store name to which it is ordered, what are the products, what is the total amount. You can see the delivery agent is not assigned now, and you can see the status is pending. So you can see the feedback and action is not allowed now. So now let me log out. So now let me go to the shop management and show you. So the product was added in the daily needs store. So now let me log into the daily needs store. So here you can see immediately after logged in, you can see one notification that you have one low stock item, because there was two items that is available. The customer has already ordered that, so it immediately shows the notification in the dashboard showing that low stock item, so that the store can able to come to know what all the items that is available in the low stock, so that they can restock it again, so that the customer can able to purchase it. So you can see the total products that is available, total orders. Now one is the pending order. So now if you go to the orders part, you can see the orders placed. Before that, you can see the products part. So already there was tur dal, I have given 2 quantity. So already the customer has ordered it, so it is now changed to the 01. So according to the stocks that is available only, it will be showing. If the customers now sees the dudar, the stock will not be available there. I'll show you that also. Before that, let us see the orders part. So just go to the orders part. So here the store people will be seeing the orders, and they can assign the agents. Now I have not created any agent. You can see there is no available agents. So now let me create some agents and come back again. So now let me go to the delivery agents part. So as we don't have any logins, let me create some delivery agents. I'll just create a delivery agent called Ron. I'll just give sample data, whichever you wanted you can give. I'll just give down here phone number, country, state, district, address of the person, password, photo of a delivery agent, and click register. So now you can see it is registered successfully. Wait for the admin approval. As mentioned for the store, the delivery agents also cannot be listed now. Only after the admin approval it will be listed, and also they can able to log into the system. I'll just create some other delivery agent called Abdul here. Date of birth, gender, email ID, country, password, photo and click register. So now I have registered 2 delivery agents. I'll just log in with the admin part now. So to approve the delivery agents, admin need to approve it. So now in the agents part, you can see the 2 delivery agents that I registered, Ram and Abdul, is updated and it is in the pending state. I'll just approve both the delivery agents. Now coming back to the shop part, so store needs to assign the delivery agents. So just log in the store. I'll just go to the orders part. You can see the order ID, the customer JP's ordered these things and everything, location, everything is updated. So now you can see the agents listed here immediately. Earlier there was not agents available, so it is not listed. Now you can see. So now the store people will be selecting the agent and then will be assigning it. So now you can see the status is now updated to confirm. Another thing, now Ram is assigned with 1 order. So now if the another store gets the order, the RAM will not be shown there, because this order, only after completing this order, that will be updated in the agent part, so that they can able to assign the agent, because without completing 1 order they cannot able to assign another order to that agent. So now you can see the status is now confirmed in the store side. So user wanted to know these details. So user part, let me show you the user part now. So in the user, if you go to my orders part, earlier you can see the status was pending. Now you can see it is assigned. So in each and every part, whether it is assigned, it is pending, or it is delivered, the details will be shown here to the user part. So now in the stores part, you can see the daily needs. So already there was two all available, so 2 was already ordered. Now you can see this is out of stock. So in this way the real-time status is shown here for the users also. So now let me log out. So now let me go to the delivery agent part. So delivery agent, that was ROM was assigned, so I will log in into the ROM delivery agent account. So now here in the delivery agent, you can see the welcome screen with the dashboard with the pending orders, completed orders, today's orders. So the statistics of the numbers. So now let me go to the active orders. You can see the active orders that is available, order ID, customer name, what is the customer phone number, customer address, store name, to which store they wanted to go and collect what are the products, total amount. You can see the delivery status is now it is assigned. So after the product is delivered, the delivery agent should mark it as delivered. So let me select as mark as delivered. So now it moves to the delivery history. So the delivery history, they can see what all the orders taken by this delivery agent and when it is delivered, date and time, everything has been updated accurately. So now if the customer part, I'll just go to the customer part. So customer, in my orders, you can see the status is now changed to the delivered. Immediately after changing the status as delivered, once the product is received to the customer, you can see the feedback is activated and the bill can be able to download it. So you can just select this invoice so that you can download that. I'll just download the invoice in the desktop part. You can see the bill copy. So here you can see the bill copy with the store name. So whatever the store, that is the store name will be shown. What is the invoice number, date and time, the store details, who is the owner name, phone number of the store, address of the store. Now this side, right side, you can see the customer details, name, email ID, phone number, delivered to which place, location, which payment method, what is the items that is selected, what is the quantity, price, total price, everything. And you can see this thank you for shopping with us message. So whatever the store, according to the store, and whatever the products, according to the products, this will be shown dynamically. So after that, you can see the feedback option. So only after the successful delivered of the product, the customer can able to, the user can able to give a feedback. So let me go to the feedback part. I'll just select the feedback as good quality and best price. I'll just give the submit feedback. So now you can see the feedback is given. So now let me log out from this part. I'll go to the shop management of daily needs. So now let me go to the feedback part. So now you can see the feedback received from the customer with the feedback ID, which each customer has done with the name of it, what is the order ID, what is the, who is the delivery agent, what is the star rating, what is the command given, and when it is done by the date and time of it. So in this way the feedbacks can be received. So in the store part, we have seen the dashboard which contains the total product, total orders, pending orders, low stock item, and you can see, you already seen the product items, and you can see the orders that is received and feedback. In the store we have the charts. So in the chart you can see today there was one order, so you can see the order that is received, and you can see the today's revenue. So today's revenue is 775. So this is a dynamic chart. According to the orders received, it will be varied. So now let me log out from this part. So we have seen the shop management. Let us go to the user part of this user. So in the user part, we have the dashboard which shows the grocery item, view cart, my orders. So you can see the cart items. So without any value, you cannot able to place the order. You can see the cart is empty. So now let me, another option is my orders. You can see the orders that is given, and you can real-time status, you can see the status part of it, and we can give the feedback and actions. In the stores, you can see what are all the stores that is available. According to the stores and the products, they can able to order the item. These are all the things that is available in the user part. Let me log out, and coming to the delivery agents. So in the delivery agents, they will be seeing the pending orders, completed orders, total orders. They can see the active orders that is available. If there is no orders, it is be empty. You can see the delivery history, what all the delivery history they can done on it. Let me log out. And finally, let us come to the administrator part, who has the total rights of the system. So in the administrator part, you can see the total users, how many stores that is available, how many agents are currently available, or anything pending approval for the store or agent. You can see the real-time statistics here. Coming to the first menu, that is user, you can see who are all the registered users available. Currently there is only one user. You can see that it is. So you can go to the stores part. You can see what all the stores that is available, daily needs, both is smart bazaar with their details of it. And the agents part, you can see who are all the agents available. So now currently there are two agents, Ram and Abdul. You can see the details of it. Coming to the agent orders, you can see the what all the agent orders that is received with the order ID, customer name, store name, delivery agent, assigned date, delivery status, delivery time, total amount, everything is shown. So if there are any number of, there are hundreds or thousand numbers, it can able to show, and they can classify it by assigned, which are assigned, which are cancelled. You can able to see based on the stores that is given. So in this way the filter is available. There is no cancelled order. So if I just select all status and daily needs, you can see the daily needs status of it. So in this way the orders can be able to listed in the administrator part. In the feedback part, they can see the feedbacks that is available, and in the chart part you can see three different charts with the system entities. These are all the dynamic charts. According to the action that is taken in the system, it will be varied. So now you can see there are one users, there are two delivery agents, and the three stores are. So according to that, the system entities distribution will be varied. Stores, you can see the Hyderabad we have one store, and Pondicherry we have two stores. So whatever the places you are adding, accordingly the graph will be varied. In order status, you can see there was one order which is also delivered perfectly. So according to the orders received, so the graph part will be changing dynamically. So before completion, let us see the frequently asked question for this project. So the frequently asked questions, the first question is, what is the online grocery shopping system is about? So the online grocery shopping system is a web-based platform that allows the customers to purchase the groceries in online. So it connects the four entities: users, stores, delivery agents, and the administrator to manage the shopping orders, deliveries, and the system operations efficiently. Next question, which technologies are used to develop this project? So for the backend coding language, we have used Java, frontend JSP, CSS JavaScript, database is MySQL, for server Apache Tomcat. Next question, who are the main users of the system? So main users or entities of the system are users, stores, delivery agents, and administrator. Next question, how do the stores become part of the system? So the stores should first initially provide their information by providing the store name, owner information, GST number, contact details, their store photos and everything. So these details will be updated to the administrator. So the administrator should verify that and they can be able to approve or reject according to their given information. Next question, how can a user place an order? So the user can able to place the order. First they can able to select the stores that is available in their location, or they can able to change the location also and see what are the stores that is available. So once after selecting a particular store, they can see what all the items that is available in the store. They can able to add the products and by entering the number of quantities that is required, and after reviewing the items they can able to select the payment method and they can able to place the order, and all these details will be tracked in the order list also. Next question, how is the delivery managed by the system? So when the user places an order, the store receives it and the store will be assigning a delivery agent, whoever is available, and the delivery agent will be delivering it and it will be updated, and after delivering they should update that it's marked as delivered, and that will be updated to both the store administrator and the user part of it. Next question, can users track their own order status? Yes, they can see the order status by viewing the my orders part. They can see whether the order is received, the agent is assigned, delivered kinds of thing, and after completion they can also able to download their bill copy in the PDF format. Next question, how does feedback work in the system? So after the product is successfully delivered to the user will be enabling the feedback option with the ratings. They can able to provide the ratings and the commands on it, so that the stores and administrators can view the feedback that is provided, so that they can improve the service quality and the maintenance accountability of it. Next question, what security measures are implemented? So the security measures implemented in the system are login with the unique credentials for all the entities, administrator approval is required for store and delivery agents, database authentication ensures the user data privacy, restricted access prevents the unauthorized use of admin and the store functionalities. Final question, what benefits does the system provide over traditional grocery shopping system? So the traditional grocery system, the main problems are time consuming, they wanted a physical presence kinds of thing. So here the main benefits of our proposed system is that it saves the time, provides convenience, ensures transparent order tracking, improves the inventory management for the stores, and centralizes the administration. So totally it automates the manual process and offers a reliable platform for both customers and the business people. So these are all the frequently asked question for this project, and this is all about the online grocery shopping system using Java, and thank you for watching.